Hello guys, and welcome to another video. And in this one, it's gonna be a simple phone tutorial. Well, you saw the title. It's how you can create a Google account without a phone number. Well, the thing is, based on my research, the most possible way that you can do this is through an Android phone and through a mobile phone, basically. So it's hard to do it on your PC because it usually just keeps asking for a number. So you do it on a mobile device. So what I need to do now is to head over to Gmail for this one. I'm gonna go to Gmail or Google, whatever you want. Just gonna go to Gmail. Go here to the profile picture in the top right corner of your screen. Go to add another account, and then we start setting up the email. So I'm just gonna go and create Google. I'm gonna make sure that it's me. Then create account here for my personal use. Let's put our name here. I'm gonna put hello kitty. Go next. It's really optional. So you just choose your birthday. I'm gonna put a random birthday. I'm gonna put 1919 something, because just to make sure that we're old enough, it's much better to be safe than sorry. So let's go mail. And now let's just put the email that we want to use. Let's say Hello Kitty. I'm gonna be regretting this, using this email for my account. Then go next. Oh wait, it's already taken us. Just add a few numbers to make sure that it's unique. 65 TYU. And then let's just put our password now. I'm just gonna let Google suggest a strong password for me. Hello Kitty. Then use password. There we go. That's my new account. Just agree. And we should have our new Gmail or Google account without any need of any phone number. And there we go. We have Hello Kitty 65 TYU on my phone. And that's a new account. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.